Hi, welcome back to our Honors Geometry series. In this video, we're going to talk about finding a range of possible values in the triangle inequality theorem. So if I give you two possible side lengths or two given side lengths, then I want you to find all possible side lengths for the third side of the triangle. Remember that any two sides of the triangle must add up to be greater than the measure of the third side. So if I added up 16 and 13, I would get 29. So whatever this third side is, I don't know what that is. 29's got to be bigger than that. So 29 must be bigger than whatever that is. Because these two added up must be greater than, so 29 must be greater than x. So you could also write that as 29 must be greater than x. But if I were to add x and 13, well, that's got to be bigger than 16. So if I subtract 13 from both sides, x must be greater than 3. All right, let's try that one more time, and then I'll show you the shortcut that you can use. So 10 and 8, if I add those up, those must be bigger than, that must be bigger than my third side. But if I added up 8 and x, those two sides must be bigger than my third side of 10. So if I subtract 8 from both sides, x has got to be bigger than 2. Now, a quicker way you can do this is you can just add those two to get your larger number and subtract them to get your smaller number. So 10 plus 4 is 14. 10 minus 4 is 6. Or 7 plus 6 is 13. 7 minus 6 is 1. But why does that work again? That's because 7 plus 6, so here's x. 7 plus 6 must be greater than x. And if I were to add x and 6, if I were to add those two sides, they've got to be greater than my third side. So x must also be greater than 7 minus 6, or 1. So that's a quick way of doing the math, but I do want you to understand why that works. So that if you get confused on a quiz or a test, you can always find your range of values because you have the conceptual understanding down. All right, I'd like you to find the range of the measures for the third side on example 2, A through D. Pause the video, complete the work, and then unpause to check your answers. All right, so you should have 4 and 14, 3 and 19, 7 and 21, and 4 and 16. That's just a quick video on how to find the range of values for the third side of a triangle As always, you can send me an email with any questions you've got or stop by before school or after school, and I will see you soon.